today we are gonna unbox 2x2 Rubik's Cube. Let's begin. So if we open the box, we get this 2x2 Rubik's Cube. This is very extremely smooth, and we get some instruction manual that I already opened, and that is of no use for me because I know how to solve the cube already. So you can see the speed of the cube. It's very smooth, it's very smooth. And if you want to learn the cube, I am coach myself. I'm international coach who teaches 35 plus Rubik's cubes with assurity. So that all the details are given in the description box. You can see the smooth cube, 2x2 Rubik's cube. It's extremely smoother. If you want to buy this, we supply the cubes all over India with free delivery. So for that also you can contact me. The contact details are there in the description box. That's it for today.